Hey guys, hey everybody. Welcome back to another vlog. As you know, this will be my last vlog for the series. I'm currently in Mangawhai. We left from here yesterday. We stopped in Whangarei. Currently, I want to do a house tour before the sun sets. As you know, it is setting right now. So let's get started, shall we? So let's start with the kitchen. So this is the kitchen area. This is where obviously all the cooking happens. We have all our essentials here. So that's where you cook all the bread. Down here is, we do that. That is, you can cook pizza, whatever it is in there. We have, there is where we obviously want to cook food. Then here is the bench top. So that's where you can put food and grab it and put it on the table. So that's just the essentials. Over there is where we have our fridge. Obviously you know what a fridge is, what's inside a fridge. Down below there is the, what is it called, the freezer. You keep the ice creams or whatever you want to freeze. Then here's our pantry staples in there. That's the sink area. Obviously it hasn't been cleaned yet because we just came back. And let's move into my room. So this is my room area. So this is my bed. We have a window here. We have a window there, there. And then here behind me is the wardrobe. Nothing so good about that. Then here is a nice window. You can see outside. Just the essentials. And then there's another window. Just the essentials. It's really cool because here, that is a bed warmer. So during winters you can warm up your bed. It's really good, especially during the night. Obviously that's a dog. So this is the table where we sit and have dinner. This here is just for decoration, nothing much. Now we move on to the living room. So this is with all the couches here. That's the TV there. Also kind of cool thing, I never knew. We have an Xbox controller. I haven't gotten to play with that lately. Anyway, let's move on to the next room. There are 3 rooms that we can look at today. Let's move on to the guest bedroom. This is a king or queen size bed. They also have the essentials. So towels, cushions. We have a bed warmer for the night. Here we have a nice mirror. Obviously the curtain there to go down. Now here is the essentials. These are not my stuff, but that's the owner's stuff. Then we'll walk into the bathroom, shower, everything, the essentials. Okay, that's a typical bedroom. Now let's move to outside because I don't want the sun to set. So now you can see the mountains behind me, Mangawhai. Obviously I'm on the balcony right now, so if we move over here. So that's what you see. And if I move backwards, so this is the nice mountainous area. It's quite a large mountain. I don't know if you can climb it or not. Over there you see more mountains and clouds and whatnot. Another house over here, garage, another house down there. If we move over here, we have a table there. You can sit there, eat whatever you want to do. My arm. Okay. Next, obviously we have a lot of trees, mountainous area, terrain over there. Just the usual New Zealand landscape. Over there we have nice white clouds. I don't know if you can see them on the camera. And then here we have some decorative pieces down there. Anyway, you got the point. And then another chair. Obviously the sun is setting. You can see it right there. Yeah, so that is outside. Now we'll move inside. Continuing with the vlog, so I'll move into my parents' bathroom and my bathroom. Obviously, let me turn on the lights. Better now. So this is the shower, the essential. This is the bathtub. If any kids are here, they can take a nice bath. That there is a toilet. You know what happens in the toilet. This is decorative pieces. It just looks nice. Bunch of towels, you know, for taking shower after cleaning, for cleaning stuff. Just the way it looks, appealing, nice rails. This is the sink, or whatever it is, a vanity. It's a good vanity. What else? So you have this here for drying your hands. It's it's quite warm. This is a towel rail. So it's good for putting your towels and whatnot in there. It warms up, so it keeps, you know, in the morning you don't have to worry about it. Keeping your hands nice and cold, but actually keep them nice and warm. Okay, now we move on to my parents' bedroom. You have a nice bed here. You have the essentials, so you have a nice warmer, bed warmer. Down here you have another, it's called an oil heater. I've never seen one in my life. This is my second time seeing it. Here, just a decorative piece, a clock, a chair, and a glass window to open. So if I do this, you can open. Good for opening. There you have more windows, good for aerating. You have a lamp down there. You have a, you know, a desk thing, kind of thing, whatever it is. Obviously, my parents' suitcase. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you this. So this is down here is where we keep all the plugs, main stuff. If I open here, just cushions, whatnot, you know. And then if we move out here, so we have over there, we have a heater. Let me show you what the remote looks like. So obviously we have another decorative piece there. More plants. Nut shells. These are shells. More of that. Tissues. The couch with my laptop on it. Another couch. Another thing. Another desk. It has the owner stuff in there. So I'm not going to go through that. Now, this is the remote. It has Netflix and it has YouTube, so you can watch YouTube or Netflix, whatever you want. I've watched a couple of movies so far. I watched Karate Kid with Jackie Chan. I watched Jurassic World. I'm now watching MI5, MI7, whatever it is. And that's about it. Now we'll take one more look, because tomorrow morning I'll be leaving. This is the view. One last view. As you can see, the sun is setting over the mountain. Anyway, that's it. Oh, and if we move over here, we have just some plants, you know, just for decoration. Anyway, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this vlog house tour here in Mangawhai. And then over here, one more thing, bunch of lights. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this vlog and then the TV here. I hope you smash the like button, give it a thumb rating. Remember to subscribe for more, and please watch my vlog because I do these vlogs for you guys, and it's really important that, you know, to get the most out of it. I get inspiration for making more vlogs when you watch my vlogs and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Goodbye. Bye.